Next example, body projected vertical upwards from the top of a tower. See here, this is what one tower, vertical tower of unknown height h. This is the top of the tower, from the edge of the top of the tower, a body is projected vertical upwards with some initial velocity 3 meters per second. Right? If it strikes the ground after 2 seconds, now the question is to find the height of the tower. Right? See here, body is projected from the top only, but from the edge. Okay, here body is projected vertical upwards from this top edge. Right? Body is under retardation initially, means its speed decreases and becomes 0 somewhere. Right? Again retraces. Same only representing somewhere by the side of this line, like that. Am I right? And reaches the level of point of projection. But still, body is under acceleration during downward motion. Why? Because in case of upward motion, it is under retardation, means speed decreases and becomes 0 here. Again, retracing with some acceleration this time, means speed again increases, reaches with the same speed at the point of projection. Here, body further moves beyond the level of projection, right? Like that. Okay. So in this case, this is what point A. This is what point B, right? A, B. Here it is A dash, otherwise A dash equal to A, right? Further, here body moves beyond the horizontal level of point of projection and reaches the ground here. So, in such kind of situations, the time of flight in the sense, the time taken for entire motion line, right? Suppose here it is C as an example, here it is A, it is B, here A dash, otherwise A, it's C, right? So this is the total segment, right? So the time taken, otherwise the time for which body remains there is known as time of flight. So as I told you in the previous case, here it's not the case like that, right? Because here this is the level of projection. Now what is the time of flight here? It doesn't mean that time taken to go from A to B and again from B to A or A dash. Why? Because here, this kind of questions, body further moves beyond the level of projection and reaches here, right? Okay, so body crosses the level of projection and other continues to move. So in such kind of situations, time of flight in the sense, you have to consider entire motion, time taken to cover entire motion. That is the time of flight, right? So that is the difference. Now here, find height of tower. See here, at the point of projection, what is the velocity? U equal to 3 meters per second. At point B, what is the velocity? V equal to 0, right? Find the height of the tower. How to find height of the tower? See, take entire motion. Take entire path, entire segment otherwise. That is AB plus BC. That is AB plus BA or A dash plus AS, like that. Otherwise A dash. You have to consider entire motion, right? So in this entire motion, what is the initial velocity? U, right? Initial velocity is U. Time taken is 2 seconds. Now displacement is, what is displacement here? Minus h. Why? Because see, this is what reference line. From this reference line, body is projected vertical upwards. So U positive, A minus G, S equal to minus h. Why? Because this is the initial position, this is the final position. A line segment drawn from initial position to final position is the displacement, irrespective of direction of motion. Right? Why? Because suppose A to B, this is what reference line, A to B, again from B to A, and again furthermore A to C, like that. This is the path. Am I right? Suppose from A to B plus X, from B to A minus X, from A to C minus H. See, this is what minus H. Why? Because this is the reference line, right? So from this reference line, from A to B, displacement like dx, from B to A minus X. Why? Because direction is reversed. From A to C is at H or minus H? Minus H. Now take all the segments, take the summation, plus X minus X minus H. Now plus X minus X cancel, we left with the minus H only. This is what displacement S equal to minus H. Displacement S equal to minus H. So in entire motion, what is the displacement covered in the sense? It's not a plus H, that is minus H. Why? Because this is the reference line. From this reference line, this is the displacement. This is the displacement vertically downwards. So minus H. So take S equal to ut plus of AT. S means what? Minus H. That is U means plus U. T means time of flight. Plus of and A means minus G. T means capital time of flight. Entire motion. Why? Because it strikes the ground after 2 seconds. It is nothing but time of flight for entire motion. So capital T, that is 2 seconds. Okay, now take this negative side onto RHS, that is H equal to minus UT plus or minus. I am taking negative sign that side, that is plus of GT. That is H equal to of GT square minus U. Of GT square minus U. This is what? Expression for expression for height of the tower. Expression for height of the tower. Now substitute H equal to of G. What is G value here? Not there, take 10. Suppose 10 into T square. T means what? 2 seconds. 2 square minus UT. U means initial velocity, that is 3 meters per second. Into UT means again time of flight 2 seconds. That is 2 square means 4. 4 by 2 means 2. 2 into 10, that is 20 minus 3, 2 is 6. That is 40 meters. H equal to 40 meters. Right? This is what? Height of the tower. Height of the tower is 40 meters. Now second question. Question number 2. Find the max height covered by the stone above the level of projection. Find H maximum, not height of the tower, that is maximum height. It's not height of the tower. Find max height covered by the stone above the level of projection. Find max height covered by the stone above point of projection. This is the question. Right? Find maximum height covered by the stone above point of projection. This is the level of point of projection. Now, when it is projected from the top, this is the vertical height covered. H max. This is what H max. This is the height of the tower. This is what? Max height reach. So now take segment AB on. Now segment AB is to be considered. Segment A. At point A, what is the velocity? U. Positive A minus G. At B, what is the velocity? 0. Right? At highest point. S equal to H max. That is, now take V square minus C square equal to S. That is U square by T. You will get U square by T. That is V square minus U square equal to AS. V square 0. U square means U square only. 2 into A means minus G. S means H max. That is H max equal to U square by 2G. H max equal to U square by 2G. Right? U means what? 3 meters per second. That is 3 into 3 by 2 into 10. That is 9. 9 by 2 means 4.5. By 10 means 0.45. That is 0.45. This is the maximum height covered by the stone above the level of projection. This is the maximum height. This is the height of the tower. Right? Now question number 3. Question number 3. Time taken to reach level of projection. That is, time to cover segment A to B and again from B to A. Right? Number 3. It's not time of flight. Why? Because time of flight means time taken to cover entire segment, that is 2 seconds given already. Now the question is to find time to reach point of projection 1 second. Means to go from A to B and again from B to A. That's all. Time to reach point of projection. Point of projection. Time to reach point of projection. Right? Now take segment AB plus BA. Now take segment A, B, again from B to A. Right? A to B and again from B to A. Okay. So what is the time here? Here at point A, what is the velocity U? Again at point A, while coming down, what is the velocity? Is it U or minus U? Minus U. V equal to minus U. V equal to minus U. So at point A, velocity is U. At point A again, while coming down, velocity is minus U. Right? Now A equal to minus G. A equal to minus G. Now take V equal to U plus A. U plus A. Now V means the velocity with which it arrives point of projection, that is minus U. While going up, if it is U, while coming down, it is minus U. So its initial velocity, it is final velocity, right? So final velocity means minus U. Initial velocity U plus A is minus G. T is TO. That is GT equal to U plus U, that is 2U. So T equal to 2U by G. 2U by G. This is the expression. 2U by G. Right? Usual formula. 2U by G. That is a 2 into U means 3 by G means 10. That is 6 by 10 means 0.6 seconds. 0.6 seconds. So this is the time in which body reaches point of projection in its motion. Am I right? That is what? After 0.6 seconds. Now coming to next question, number 4. Number 4. Find the speed with which it strikes the ground. That is the question. Find the speed with which it strikes the ground. Okay. Question number 4. Question number 4. Find the speed with which it strikes the ground. Body strikes the ground. Find the speed with which it strikes the ground. Right? So we have to consider entire motion. That is A to B plus B to C. Now take entire motion. At point of projection, what is the speed? U. At the point at which it strikes the ground, what is the velocity unknown? Here V is unknown. V is unknown. Now take this segment. It is A. At this point, velocity is U. Right? This is point C. The velocity is unknown. Now displacement covered is minus h. As I told you, if you take entire motion, right, the body moves further beyond level of projection, right, crossing level of projection and continues up to here. So in such cases, displacement is Negative of height from which body is projected. See, this is the height from which body projected. Same only the displacement with negative sign. That is minus h. So this is what minus h. From this point, this what displacement. A line segment drawn from initial position to final position, irrespective of direction. So this is what S equal to minus h. Dotted line from here to there. This is what minus h. S equal to minus h. Now relate all these quantities u, v, s, a. A equal to minus g. Once again, a equal to minus g. Right? Now take v square minus u square equal to 2as. V unknown minus u positive, that is plus u square. 2 into a means minus g. S means what? Minus h. Minus h. Right? Right? That is minus minus plus. So v square equal to 2gh plus u square. Minus u square becomes plus u square. U square plus 2gh. 2gh. H means height of the tower. It's not maximum height. H means here height of the tower. Now v means what? Root over u square plus 2gh. This is the expression. V, velocity with which it strikes the ground, in this case is given by root over u square. U square, u means velocity of projection square plus 2 into g into height of the tower. Height of the tower. Right? Now height of the tower means 14 meters. G means 10. U means 3. Okay. Now substitute here. Substitute v equal to root over u square means 3 square. U means what? 3. 3 square plus 2 into g into height of the tower 40. 40. Right? 40 meters. Now what is the answer? 2 into 14. 28 into 10. 280 plus 9. 289 under root. That is v equal to 17 meter per second. This is the speed with which it strikes the ground. Right? In some cases, you will be given like that. When body is projected vertical upwards from the top of the tower, the velocity becomes n times. The velocity becomes n times initial velocity with which it strikes the ground. Now find the height of the tower. That is the question, for example. That is the question, right? That is the question. See, once again, here is what reference line. This is the point here from which body is projected like that. It goes up and crosses the point of projection or level of projection and continues to strikes the ground. To strikes the ground line. Right? This is what ground. Ground, right? This is what ground. This is what height of the tower, right? A is what A. This is the tower, right? Now, what is the velocity projection in U? It strikes the ground with n times the point of velocity projection like that. V equal to n times the point of projection. N times velocity at point of projection. Now, what is the height of the tower? This is the question. See, once again, suppose body is projected vertical upwards with some velocity from the top of a tower, and if it strikes the ground with a velocity which is equal to n times the velocity at point of projection. Now find the height of the tower. Now how to find is, this is the solution, right? How to find? Same one. Take v square minus v square equal to 2as. V means nu. V means nu. Am I right? Initial velocity u, final velocity nu. So v means nu. Is it positive or negative? Negative. Why? Because see, this is the reference line. Above the reference line u positive. Below the reference line v negative. right? S equal to minus h. Displacement in entire motion. This is the height of the tower with negative sign is the displacement, right? A equal to minus g. A equal to minus g. Now, what is the final velocity here? Is it nu or minus nu? Minus nu. Why? Because upward motion is positive. This is the reference line. U positive, V negative. That is minus nu whole square minus U positive. That is plus U whole square equal to 2 into A means minus G. S means minus H. Minus H. That is L square U square minus U square equal to minus plus 2GH. 2GH. That is U square is common here. N square minus 1 equal to 2GH. Right? Now H equal to U square by 2G into N square minus 1. N square minus 1. Right? This is the expression for finding height of the tower. In case in which velocity of striking the ground is n times the velocity of projection, and we need to find height of the tower, means we have to follow this expression. Suppose u equal to 9.8 meter per second. Here v equal to right 19.6 meter per second. Right? Same can be written as 2 into 9.8 meter per second. That is nu. V equal to n means n equal what? 2. See, at point of projection, what is the velocity? 9.8. Now with what speed it strikes the ground means 19.6. Can be written as 2 twice 9.8. So V equal to n times u. N means 2. Now what is the height of the tower means? Find the height of the tower in the sense. Take this formula into consideration. Right? Now h equal to u square by 2g into n square minus 1. That is u square. U means 9.8. 9.8 whole square by 2 into g means 9.8 into n square minus 1. What is n here? N means twice. That is 2. 2 square minus 1. That is 9.8 whole square by 9.8 means 9.8. By 2 is there. 2 square minus 1 means 4 minus 1, that is 3. Okay, that is 4.9 into 3. 14.7 meters. This is the height of the tower. Okay, this is what height of the tower. Right?